Greetings, family. Empress D in nature. Obviously, I hope you guys are doing the same because if you're not, you're missing out. It's kind of a little chilly today. I have my big jacket on my back just in case, but it's nice still, family. And it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter where you are. Just dress for the weather and go outside, just with your thoughts. Around some natural stuff. Look at this. I'm surrounded by the water, and then look, you can see there's a mama duck and a daddy duck. I'm pretty sure they're hanging about and they're not moving far from there because I hope you can see them, because their eggs are there. Their nest is there. It's not ducks, sorry. It's geese. Sorry, not ducks, geese. Their nest is there and they don't want to leave their babies, right? Because they're going to be hatching soon. It's that time of year. We're going to start to see the ducklings soon, like in May. I maybe late April, May. Anyway, family, I hope you're well and experiencing what I'm experiencing, family. Anyway, firstly, I would like to say manipulation is real. And it's been done to each and every one of us since we came from the womb. It's just what it is, family. It's what it is in life on planet Earth. Manipulation, right? It's all about manipulation. So what do I mean by this? What do I mean by this manipulation? Well, let's start with this. One major manipulation tool is the television, right? We've all had that, most of us, most of our lives. Most of us on the planet right now have had a television set in their house most of their lives, if not all of their lives, right? We're at that juncture. So it's very easy to reach the masses with the messages you want them to see. And so therefore, if you control the media, I think Malcolm X said it, or yes, I think it was Malcolm. Or was it, you know what, I don't want to misquote one of the greats, but I know one of our great fighters for freedom said that who controls the media controls the world. And it controls perception, right? And perception is all you need to control for people to act, right? Because people act based on their perception. If you think about it, we've all been exposed to TV, and that's a wonderful tool that they use to program us and therefore manipulate us. And this is on a grand global scale, international. I said global, so that's the world scale. What else do they use to manipulate us? They've gotten social media now, right? Woo! That's another wonderful, the internet is a wonderful tool for manipulation. Social media particularly, right? All of the different apps. Beautiful manipulation tool. What else they got, family? What else they got to manipulate us? We talked about media. We talked about, this is a big one. Education. Whoever controls the curriculum, controls the little young minds. Geez. Listen, think about it, family. Think about it. Think about it on that scale. Think about it. If you want to control a population and how they think and their perceptions, let's get them young. Let's get them thinking in a certain way. Family, it goes deep. I'm not going to make this whole video going over all of the different ways that you can manipulate masses of people. But if you sit down or if you take a walk in nature, I'm sure you can come up with a few your own, right? And when you actually think about it and connect all of the dots, from the moment we were born, we've been manipulated. And of course, our relationships manipulate us and shape us, especially the ones that we do not choose, the ones we are born into, that form and shape us like putty. Every child is like putty, like Play-Doh, so moldable, like clay, very malleable. You can shape them by their environments, right? By what they're exposed to, what they're perceiving. It runs deep, family, right? So if you just kind of just step back and think about it, manipulation is happening all around us. And our societies are based on that, on this manipulation. And you know what really opened my eyes to it was 2020. And I'm not going to sit here making this video so long, because if I start to talk about 2020, we're going to be here all day, family. And I want to walk and enjoy the rest of this beautiful day. So family, that's what's up. Manipulation runs deep. And someone found out and figured out a long time ago that human beings could be manipulated quite easily based on certain things, right? And maybe we'll save that for another video, going over all of the different emotions that they elicit out of us in order to control us. But that's it for today. Thank you for taking the time to listen. I love and I value each and every one of you, family. One love.